Today we're going to be talking about how to do your cryptocurrency taxes. And literally I'm going to show you how to do your crypto taxes within minutes, like fast. It's unbelievable how painless this is. Now, a lot of people have been considering paying their taxes. Should they pay them? Should they not pay them? Let me just help you out in the event that you're not aware of this. The U.S. government in particular, but governments around the world are starting to crack down drastically on crypto. Let me tell you here in the U.S. what's going on. The U.S. government is putting out stimulus checks. People in the know have often said, how can they put out these stimulus checks? How can they afford this? They're borrowing money. They're printing money. Don't they know this is going to put us into a bind? There are economists out there who say that it's okay to print money as long as you raise taxes and you efficiently collect taxes, because that pulls money out of the economy and it helps limit inflation. One of the areas that they are fully aware of that people have been avoiding paying their taxes has been in the area of cryptocurrency. Most people who struggle with paying their taxes or haven't paid their crypto taxes, initially it started out because nobody knew. 2, 3, 4 years ago, 2017, people really didn't know how to treat their taxes. There was not even any good laws on the books. You were kind of like flying under the radar. But now you need to be very careful. In 2020 was the first time that the IRS put a question specifically about cryptocurrency. Right here, the IRS has put a question about cryptocurrency holdings on page 1 of 2020 tax returns that taxpayers are expected to answer accurately. If you had income from crypto, whether due to selling at a profit or receiving a digital asset for work performed, failure to report it could come back to bite you. I just want you to know this. This right here is very interesting. Whether you received it for work, whether you won it in a contest, whether you traded it or somebody gave it to you, it doesn't matter. Whether you got an airdrop and that token actually had a value, it is a taxable event. It could be a real tax mess for folks who try to hide crypto earnings from the IRS, said certified financial planner. Now, most people, they think about, okay, I should pay my crypto taxes. I really want to do the right thing, but it's complicated. Can I figure this out? What do I do? Let me tell you something. Stick with me. I promise you. When I found out how easy this is, I could not believe, I literally could not believe the stress that I had put on myself. Listen, I have owned multiple businesses. I have paid accountants and I have done taxes, and I cannot stand taxes. Like, just the process of getting it done. I don't have a problem paying them per se. I wish I didn't have to pay so much, but I don't have a problem paying them. I just don't like all the headaches. Now, I'm going to tell you something right now. The answer is not to avoid paying your taxes for a couple of reasons. First of all, the IRS has been sending out letters, I think starting in 2019. Originally, when people started getting letters, like 10,000 letters went out. I think that was 2019. And they continued sending them out throughout 2020. And there's literally 3 different types of letters. And one of them is kind of like, we think you might have crypto. If so, you need to report it to us. Another letter was kind of like, they're all very similar, by the way. I've actually read all 3 of these letters on the internet. Another letter was like, we know that you have crypto. We just don't know how much. You have until this date to let us know. And another letter was like, hey, we know you have crypto. We know how much you have. You didn't pay taxes on it. And if you don't pay those taxes, you're essentially going to be audited. And those letters were strong and they were scary. And people on Reddit started posting them. In fact, I think this is a screenshot from Reddit. It was pretty crazy. And people were shocked to find out that the IRS knew that they had cryptocurrency. The reason the IRS knows that you have cryptocurrency is because they've been monitoring you. They've been watching you. When you do KYC AML, financial records are being tracked. People think Bitcoin, they think cryptocurrency is anonymous. Once your identity is connected to a Bitcoin wallet, from that point forward, the government has the ability to track everything that you do in cryptocurrency, literally. And if you think I'm kidding, I'm going to tell you why this is a blessing for you. Listen, I promise you. And when I make this so painless for you, do me a favor. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button and click the like button if you want to know how to get these problems solved, because I'm about to give it to you, because I did all the research. I looked at everything. I looked at services. I contacted my accountant. I asked for referrals to other accountants that had experience in crypto. Like, I, honest to God, started thinking about this thing. And then I started thinking, okay, I need to figure this out because it's going to become a problem, a real problem. And then I went into the online world of tax software, crypto tax software. But here it is. You ready? And by the way, the same little software was able to find cryptocurrency that I did not realize I had. And I literally, for me personally, found several $100 in tokens and coins that I had sort of kind of forgot about and or lost. And I was able to go back to the wallets and find them. Like, it literally floored me. If you've been in crypto for a while, and you've been in a lot of different cryptos, you've been in a lot of different projects, I'm willing to bet you that you have some crypto that you didn't know about. And you can find out for free, by the way. You can find out for free. Here it is, Coinly. This is a life-saving product, and it is one of the cheapest on the market. It's available in 20 plus countries. You can get your forms for TurboTaxes, everything. It calculates your cryptocurrency taxes, helps you reduce them for the next year. It's simple. It's reliable. That's what they say. Listen, feeling clueless? Listen, when I tell you how easy this works, it's going to blow your mind. How Coinly simplifies your taxes. They easily import your trades. All you have to do, and then you can download all your documentation. It is so ridiculous. So all you have to do is set up an account. I'll put a link in the description. You can sign up. They'll do all the work. You can see what you owe. The only time you have to pay for it is when you decide to go and you're going to go and actually purchase your documents. And then they have the different prices. I'll put a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I'm not even sure. I don't even remember exactly what I get for recommending it to you or you supporting the channel if you click on the link, but it is an affiliate link. Listen, they have a free. You don't even need to pay for anything. You can figure out what you owe for free. So what happens is you go in there, you enter in your wallet addresses, and that's what takes the longest, actually. It's not that hard. Pull up your wallets, Bitcoin addresses, Ethereum address. You don't have to put in everything. Just one Ethereum address covers all your ERC20 stuff. It does your Binance smart contract address as well, which is obviously the same as your Ethereum address in many cases. If you're using MetaMask, it literally runs through chain analytics. It's the exact same way the government is able to know that you have cryptocurrency taxes, because they are able to track your identity to wallets and to addresses. And it literally, and when I say a wallet, if you don't know what that is, all you got to do is go to your Bitcoin wallet address or your Ethereum address, and the same public key that you would use to have someone send crypto to you, that's all you put in. You put that in. If you have an exchange, you just select the exchange, you put in the exchange address. That's it. It takes care of everything. You just have it sync and run. And I am not kidding you. It says in 20 minutes. I have over 3,000 plus transactions. I don't even think it took 20 minutes. I was stunned with how simple it was. And then there's just a drop-down menu. You choose exactly which, if you're in the U.S. or wherever you're at, do you need a TurboTax document? You need this document. What do you need? And you can look at it for free and see what you need. Like, they give you the free report to look at it. By the way, let's see. View sample report. Bitcoin tax reports that are compliant with local laws. I mean, they got everything covered. Ladies and gentlemen, this is easy. This makes your crypto stress-free. Now, let me tell you something. I found in several wallets coins that I had forgotten about. I had more than enough coins to cover the cost of it. Like, I found, because it goes through all your wallets, it goes through all your exchange stuff, everything in 2020 that you used, you want to put that in. And it runs the dates just for 2020. So you're going to be able to, and if you may need to do 2019, I'm not telling you not to have your tax professional look over your reports, but Coinly makes it insanely easy. You don't have to chase down every trade you ever made, every micro profit. It is insanely easy. So get Coinly, have your taxes done within minutes. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. And ladies and gentlemen, just getting the free report on Coinly should be enough for me to get a like and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Decentralized cryptocurrency equals freedom, but today we owe our governments our taxes until we decide to opt out of the system. Don't think you're going to quasi opt out. Unless you're ready to go full opt out and you're willing to go to jail, just pay your taxes. It's incredibly easy. It's incredibly simple. If you've used Coinly before, go down in the comments and tell me how simple it is. If you've never used Coinly and you come check it out and you run your free report, go down in the comments and tell me how simple it was. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.